Hey, I wanted to show you this awesome recipe that I make for salsa. And you use canned tomatoes. This is a really big can. You can use any kind of canned tomatoes. This is the only organic kind that they had yesterday here. So you put the organic tomatoes in the blender, add 1 onion, chopped. Doesn't have to be really finely chopped because the blender is going to do the work for you. It's like lazy salsa. 1 green pepper. 1 hot pepper. I'm using a serrano instead of a jalapeno. 1/4 of a teaspoon, sorry, our lighting in here is kind of 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. You can leave it out if you don't like this. It's totally optional. 1/4 of a teaspoon of crushed red peppers. I'm not going to add salt just because there's salt in the tomatoes, but you can if you want. And dried oregano, we don't have any, so I'm going to use this oil of oregano. I'm going to do 3 drops. And then I'm going to top that with fresh cilantro, chopped. I love salsa. It's like a weekly snack around here. Okay, put it in the blender, give it a whirl. Okay, it looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna add what I call the secret sauce. So good. So this is brown sugar, olive oil, red wine vinegar, 1 garlic clove, and some honey. And you just warm that up on the stove, kind of makes this sticky sauce. It may have gotten a little too warm. Well, we're gonna go with it. Okay. Lord have mercy, I'm making a mess. I'll come back to that. See if I can get this off the spoon. Use my fingers because that's what people who cook do, right? It's like sugar, just got glumped together. So hopefully it'll be good. We'll see. It doesn't normally look like this. I think I let it cook too long. Okay. Put that down, off my finger, and then whiz it up again. Oh goodness, that smells good. And that's it. Lazy blender salsa. Enjoy, bye.